Hi everyone, today's headlines. Moguchung Assam Rifles recovers 2 pistol. 447 cases of adverse event reported after COVID-19 vaccination in India. NSCN-IM press statement on political stand of the Nagas. Mamata Banerjee to contest Bengal election from Nandigram. Supreme Court tells Delhi police to decide on farmers' January 26 tractor rally. West Bengal, violent stone hurdle at BJP workers during rally. UP ward boy dies. Doctor says unrelated to COVID-19 vaccine. News in details. Moguchung Assam Rifles recovers 2 pistols. The Moguchung Battalion of Assam Rifles, based on the specific inputs regarding presence of weapon cache in general area Jumketi near Zungkommen village under Moguchung district in Nagaland, launched an operation along with state police representative on January 15, 2021 at 19:30 hours. PRO HQ IGAR North in a press release on Monday informed that at around 20:45 hours, 2 into 22 mm pistols with magazine, one made in USA and one country made, were recovered from Jumhut near Zungkommen village under Moguchung district. 447 cases of adverse events reported after COVID-19 vaccination in India. A total of 447 adverse events following immunization have been reported on January 16 and 17, 2021 after the COVID-19 vaccination program in India. According to WHO, adverse event following immunization is any untoward medical occurrence which follows immunization and which does not necessarily have a causal relationship with the usage of the vaccine. India has vaccinated the highest number of persons on day 1 under its COVID-19 vaccination program, one of the world's largest exercise, which is much higher than any other country. The second day of the massive countrywide COVID-19 vaccination program was also conducted successfully. A total of 2,24,301 beneficiaries have been vaccinated as per the provisional report, and 553 sessions were held in 6 states up till January 17, 2021. NSCN-IM press statement on political stand of the Nagas. The NSCN-IM in a press statement on the political stand of the Nagas said the term Naga is the historical accidental name given by the British imperialists, which later becomes a recognized common national political nomenclature of the Nagas, who are composed of many tribes and sub-tribes indigenously to the common homeland called Nagaland or Nagalim. Mamata Banerjee opens dare to BJP. Suvenda Adhikari decides to contest West Bengal election from Nandigram. Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee on Monday announced that she would contest West Bengal Assembly election 2021 from Nandigram. The West Bengal Chief Minister would contest the upcoming Bengal poll from 2 seats, the other one being Bhabanipur, an assembly constituency in Kolkata. Banerjee made the announcement while addressing a public rally in Nandigram. While addressing her supporters, Banerjee said Trinamool would return to power by winning the upcoming election and said she was not worried about her party leaders who are jumping over to the BJP. Supreme Court tells Delhi police to decide on farmers' January 26 tractor rally. Entry of farmers into Delhi is a law and order problem, and any decision in this regard should be taken by the Delhi police, said the Supreme Court on Monday. The statement was made by a 3-judge bench headed by CJI S.A. Bordhi while hearing an application filed by Delhi police to direct farmers not to disrupt the Republic Day celebration in the capital on January 26. The matter will now be heard on January 20 when the bench dealing with petition against the farmer protest will be available. This bench, which last assembled on January 12, comprises CJI Bordhi and Justice A.S. Bopana and 5 Rama Subramaniam. On that day, the court had stayed the implementation of the 3 farm laws under challenges and formed a 4-member expert committee to study the concern raised by the farmer unions and submit its recommendation to the court in 8 weeks. West Bengal violence. Stone hurdle at BJP workers during rally. Stones were hurled at BJP workers who were part of the rally attended by Union Minister Debashree Chowdhury, State BJP Chief Dilip Ghosh and Suvendu Adhikari in Kolkata earlier Monday. Uttar Pradesh hospital ward boy dies of heart attack, doctor says unrelated to COVID-19 vaccine. Ward boy at a government hospital in Uttar Pradesh died a day after receiving COVID-19 vaccine jab on Saturday. The health official, however, said that the death was not related to vaccine jab and that the ward boy had died of a heart attack. According to the reports, 46-year-old Mahipal Singh, who was a ward boy at the district hospital in Auradabad, had been given COVID-19 vaccine shot on Saturday. Singh complained of uneasiness on Sunday evening and was rushed to the hospital. He died a little later. That's all for now. To get such latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.